Hello, campers. Okay, so we are going to do some things with TNT today. I was going to blow up that house that I made, but that world met with an unfortunate end, by which I mean I accidentally deleted it. So uh, we're going to blow up a couple of things using some Python code. We're going to blow up this stage here, and then wait, where did it go? Here it is. We're going to use a huge block of TNT to blow up this. Now, so let's get this done first. So you should have Minecraft Pi open. So let me say this. So what I want you to do is build just like I did. Build two things. It doesn't matter what they are. One smaller, one larger, and then take a screenshot of each. Then, after you blow up each of them, take a screenshot of the after picture. So you have a before and an after. Um, and then post the before and after pictures to the forum. Okay, so what we want to do first is to blow up this little stage using code. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to go to my Python, the idle editor. As we did previously, by going to the Raspberry Pi menu, going to programming, going to hold on one second, this is in the way here. Idle 3, and clicking on that. I already have it open. So you're going to go to that once you have it open, and we're going to import the Minecraft library. Okay, or for Raspberry Pi. So from MCPI period Minecraft import Minecraft. Enter. Then we want to create a connection with Minecraft so we can talk to it. So we're going to do this. I just did MC equals Minecraft dot create parentheses. Then we want to get the position of the player logged onto here. So we're going to type in X, comma Y, a space between, so let me start again. X, comma, space, Y, comma, space, Z, space equals MC player dot get POS, parentheses. And again, I'll post the code for this to the forum so you can see it. Hit enter. Now we want TNT, and the ID for that is 46. So I'm going to type in on the next line TNT equals 46. Okay. Then I'm going to type MC set block X parentheses X comma Y comma Z TNT 1. And I got an error, and I'm not sure why. Hold on one second. Oh, I see. I just made a typo. So when you type in set block, block should be capitalized actually. Okay, there we go. So now you'll see that I have this block of TNT here. All right. So the only problem is I actually didn't. I posted. I put it too far away from what I want to blow up. So let's see. I'll try to blow it up, and we'll see what happens. You hit it with the sword, and it should blow it up. And we see that I did not blow up the little stage. So I want to get on the stage actually. All right. So let's try this again. So I don't have to re-import the library because I already did that. I don't have to create a connection with Minecraft because I already did that. But I do have to log my new location with the XYZ coordinates. So I'm going to type X comma Y comma X comma space Y comma space Z equals MC player. And between MC and player, there's a period. Get POS. Again, I'm going to put the ID for TNT in, which TNT equals 46. And then I'm going to set the block, MC period, set block with a capital B, X, comma Y, comma Z, comma TNT, comma 1, end parenthesis. Okay, so now when I look at this, the piece of TNT is right on my stage. So let's go ahead and blow that up. Back up so I can see it. Okay, so I didn't get to blow up the whole thing. Why? Because I didn't have enough TNT. Now, I could have, put multiple blocks of TNT and blown up each individual thing. But one of the reasons that we use programming is actually to minimize the amount of work we have to do, right? So if we have a repetitive task, which I would have had to, I'll just pick TNT from here for right now, put a bunch of TNT around it, let's say 10 times or so, to blow the whole thing up and then light it. That would have been very repetitive. So we're going to use some code to be able to create a large block of TNT over at our large stage or structure to blow up over there in just a moment. Okay, so here we have the stage we started on. Now I'm going to fly over here to our larger structure that we want to explode. Okay, so, and by the way, I in no way endorse explosives or violence. This is a variation on a cool little activity I found on the Raspberry Pi website with some twists of my own and so forth. I just wanted you to know that. Okay, so with that in mind, let's blow things up. All right, so this is a bigger structure. So like I said before, when we program, what we want to do is we want to minimize the amount of repetitive work we have to do using code, okay? So I want to blow this up. I want much more than one block, okay? So let's see how we can do that. So what I'm going to do is using the same Python window I had open before, because I left it open. I'm going to, I'm in a new position actually. So I have to get the position back on, my new position loaded in, I should say. So I'm going to type X, comma, space Y, comma, space Z. And then I'm going to say equals MC period player dot get POS parentheses. Oh, and I got an error, and again it's a typo. Remember I told you a couple of videos back that you'll get errors of various kinds, especially from typos. And remember I also told you don't get frustrated when that happens, just try to work through it. So then I'm going to go to the next line. I'm going to type TNT equals 46, and then I'm going to put MC on the new line. I'm going to put MC period set blocks parentheses X plus 1 Y, then comma space Y plus 1 comma space Z plus 1 comma space, and now it's going to get, remember we're trying to make this larger, right? So comma space X plus 11, then comma space Y plus 11, comma space Z plus 11, comma space TNT, comma space 1. And then I should have, you'll see I have this huge mound of TNT next to this structure, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of them. I'm going to fly up to one of the ones in the middle, probably, I'd say. Oh, and by the way, since we have all this TNT, you should expect some lag here. Okay? I'm going to use my sword, and I'm going to light one of these blocks of TNT in order for them to all blow up. So when that happens, you'll notice in the video that it will lag a good amount because the Pi is processing multiple things blowing up. Don't worry about it. It should be fine. Just go ahead and wait through it, and you'll see the remnants left. So let me get my sword out, because that's how everybody lights their TNT, and light a block. And it's not, there we go. And you can see it's still exploding in slow motion. And apparently that wasn't enough TNT to take the whole structure out, but you get the idea. We left a rather large crater. There's things floating in the air. Minecraft physics is not always the most realistic thing in the world, but I think that suffices. So that's my after picture. So again, make a before picture of your small structure, then blow it up, then make an after picture, and upload both of those photos to the forum, then make a before picture of your larger structure. Again, it doesn't matter what it is, and blow it. Have the before picture, then blow it up, then take an after picture and put that up on the forum. All right. And as always, if you have any problems, please let me know, and I will post the code for this in the forum so you can see it very clearly. All right. Take care.